Good morning. It is Monday, May 18th, the year 2020. Coming at you from my home studio in the backyard where it's nice and quiet except for the sound of my voice, which is like ASMR to the ears of children around the world. Here we go. This is the video answer key for this here worksheet you're looking at, which I sent out to you in a PDF form. And when I'm done here, I'll take a picture of it and send that out. But if you like the explanations that go with the answer key, well, here we go. There's a sale. They normally cost $89. That's the original. Remember, in these percentage change problems, we need to identify the original and the new price. They are 35% off. By the way, there are so many strategies. I can't cover them all in this little box here, so I'm just going to show you inside the brain of a madman. If they're 35% off, how much are you still paying? Right, 65% on. Because the question is, what is the sale price? If the question was, how much are you saving? Then we would like the percent off. But since it's asking how much we're still paying, very nice. So 65% or 65 hundredths of $89. Nice and easy. We know our answer is going to be dollars and cents, and then we're going to hopefully see it as a choice there. So I'm going 65% of multiplying $89, $57.85. And very nice. We like to see our work rewarded with it being one of the choices over there. Okay, hopefully even if you used a different strategy, that's awesome. Hey, if we got the same answer, awesome. Okay, since this was multiple choice, we're really just looking for the answer. But if we don't get the right answer, maybe you want to try one of my strategies next time on a similar type of problem. Speaking of similar types of problems, let's go for number 2. Becky picked up a sweet pair of pants for 30% off the regular price. She paid $28. Is that the original price or the sale price? That is the sale after the 30% discount. So now I'm going to use a different strategy. I'm going to set up and use a proportion. And the question is asking, what was the original? What was the original? So 28 is 70% of what price? So for me, on this one, cross multiplying works better. I've got a great video on YouTube that goes through where to put the X on one of these proportions here. I highly encourage you to find that if what I just did didn't make sense. Way back in the days of having an actual classroom, I taught you this, and some of you nodded your heads and smiled in understanding. So anyway, we're going to cross multiply 70x equals 28 times 100, which is 2800. Then we'll divide both sides by 70, and we got to get creative with our space here. 2800 divided by 70, $40, which is right there. Let's make sure we get this straight. 28 is not the original. 28 is after 30% off, which means 28 is 70% of the original. And that's what the question is asking for. What was the original price before the sale? Okay, so we know it's going to be higher than 28, so that eliminates that one. And 28 is 70% of what number? Good, there we go. Next, Caden wants to leave a 23% tip on a $42 bill at Senior Frogs. What is the amount of the tip? By the way, they have delicious deep fried frog legs and a fantastic jalapeno ranch dip. Oh, so good. You should totally check it out. Okay, so the bill. 23, we want to know what's 23% of $42. And the question, very important here, the amount of the tip. It doesn't want to know the tip added to the bill. It doesn't want to know the bill before the tip. It doesn't want to know what the percentage of the bill, all that stuff, right? We just want a dollar amount of the tip. Okay, so what is 23%? Hey, this is a lot like problem 1, isn't it? 23% of 42. Wow, I'm digging this pen. It's crazy. Crazy art. Crazy heart with crazy art. 23% of $42, of course, will be a dollar of something. 23% of, there's the of button, just like the of glove. $9.66. That's the tip, which is one of our choices. Let's try to understand some of these other choices. What's 51.66? Well, that would be the bill plus the tip. What's 32.34? That would be if you did this and then subtracted it from the bill, but that's not how tips work, is it? So this is bill plus tip. This is bill minus tip. What kind of world is that? $19, I'm not quite sure about that. But anyway, there's our answer. Let's go to number 4, featuring the Big Z, Zendaya. World's Greatest Showman, and before that, what show was it? Right, KC Undercover. So once you're done checking out this amazing video, wake up out there. Wake up to a beautiful day. Here we go. She bought a soccer ball in Seattle. They have sales tax up there, you know. I'm going to try this crazy art in green this time. The price includes, so we have price plus tax equals $52.92. Okay, 8% sales tax. So $52.92 is 108% of what was the original price. The reason 108% is 100% is the price, and if we add the 8% tax to it, it would be more than the price, right? Just like $52.92 is more than the price of the soccer ball. Wow, it must be a nice one. Let's check it out. So we're going to cross multiply 108x. I don't know about you, but I'm not loving this green pen as much as the red one. 52.92 times 100 is 52.92. You move the decimal over. Now we're just going to divide both sides by 108. And I'm going to switch to my black ballpoint pen. 52.92, clear, 52.92 divided by 108. Ah, $49. I guess I don't need to switch. It's a $49 soccer ball. I hope from a common sense standpoint, that sure makes sense. 57.15 would be like if you added $8 instead of 8%. Yeah, I'm trying to think of what these other answers represent. But the whole idea is 108% is anytime you add a percentage to something, the amount you have is the original amount plus that percentage. So there we go, $49. And one final one here. That's me, ordered 2,000 face masks for his classroom next year. I have not done that, but maybe I should. I think that will run out after the third quarter because they're disposable and people throw them away after one class. I think I'll run out 3/4 of the way through the school year. So instead of 2,000, I want to order more than that, obviously, because I don't want to run out. And my question is, by what percentage should I increase the order? So let's go back to that red one. Sorry this video is so long, but you're getting money. You're getting the explanations here. So he has 2,000. He wants more. 2,000 is 3/4 of what? So I've got 2,000, gets me through 3/4 of the year, 3 out of 4. If I cross multiply and solve, that's going to tell me, by what percentage should he increase his order? Oh, check this out. Well, let's go ahead and cross multiply and solve. That's not going to give us the answer quite yet. But maybe you did it this way, so let's play along just to highlight that we can have multiple strategies and still get to the same place. 8,000 divided by 3. 2,660. Can I have a fraction of a mask? No. So I'm going to round down this time. You can't round up and create a new mask out of nothing. So if I have 2,000 and I need 2,666, the question is, by what percentage more? So 666 is what percent of 2,000? That's the question that's being asked here. And let's do that again so you can see. It was so fast. Take the amount of increase divided by the original. Six divided by 2,000. 33%. Did you get that? It sure is one of the choices. So I'm going to increase my order by 33%, which is the same as increasing 3 to 4. What's 33% of 3? 1. So that by increasing 3 by 33%, I get 4. And using proportional thinking, by increasing 2,000 by 33%, I get 2,666. That is it. So our key is done. Thank you for watching. Sorry it took so long. And I will see you sometime, I hope. Bye for now.